Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable the app notifications on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So simply open settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and select notification and status bar, and then select app notifications. Now from here, you can find the application that you'd like to enable notifications for, or if you like to disable the notifications for. So let's say, for instance, if you want to disable the notifications for this particular app, the music app, you can simply find it and then toggle off the switch, and that will disable the notifications for that particular app. If you want to enable it, simply toggle on that switch, and that will enable the notifications. You can do the same with all the other applications. So let's say if you want to have notifications for your Discord, simply toggle on that switch, and now you'll receive notifications from this particular Discord application. If you want to disable them, you can simply toggle off the switch, and that will disable notifications. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.